Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing and testing this Svinkal Cordless Electric Air Duster. This was sent to me by Svinkal for review, but as always, all opinions are my own. First up, let's take a look at what comes in the box. It comes with keycap remover, handy tool for safely removing keyboard keycaps during deep cleaning. It comes with one small brush head, medium and wide brush heads for cleaning intensities and surface types. It comes with 3 inflatable nozzles designed for inflating items like airbeds, swim rings, and inflatable toys. Each nozzle fits different bulb types. It comes with 2 nozzles, one standard nozzle for direct airflow and one nozzle with an integrated brush head for scrubbing while blowing. Here's the Type-C charging cable for fast charging, compatible with laptops and power banks. It also comes with a carrying bag that fits all components for easy storage and portability. Now here's the main unit, this Svinkal Cordless Air Duster in green color. It feels ergonomic and lightweight. Here is where you connect your Type-C charger. This air duster can push up to 41,000 RPM. This is the power button and stepless speed control switch. This can be fully charged in 3 hours in fast charging with a capacity of 6,600 mAh battery. At the back of the handle, there's a nozzle holder. This is a nice feature if you keep switching between the brush head and the regular nozzle. For the light indicator, the LED flashes when it is currently charging and it will stay on when it is fully charged. Now let's go ahead and give it a test. First, let's hear how loud it is when it's turned on and full powered. First, let's try it with my dirty keyboard. Now let's go ahead and try the keycap remover for the keyboard keys. I'm actually impressed how powerful the motor. It can actually push my fan a little. Good thing about it is it's wireless and rechargeable. I can clean my car's interior without needing to plug it in, which is really annoying when cleaning tight spaces. Okay. I love that it came with 3 different types of brush heads to brush up those dust buildups in my 3D printers, especially for tight spaces before air dusting the area. So after testing it with different areas, the only thing I think I don't like is the loudness. This device is actually loud at full power and definitely can't be used when someone is sleeping. That isn't really a deal breaker for me because what's important to me is the power. So is this cordless air duster worth it? Thinking how powerful it is? Yes, absolutely. It's become a go-to tool for keeping my gear clean, from keyboards to car interiors. It's powerful, portable, and saves money over time compared to disposable air cans. If you're a content creator or tech enthusiast or just someone who likes a tidy setup, this is a solid pickup. If you want to check it out, link is in the description. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one.